Hello everybody and welcome. We're going to make some body butter together today, and I'm going to use some shea butter and some mango butter. All right, and these are the oils that we will be using. We're going to add the butters together, and we're going to melt them down. Then we're going to go and add our oils. Now, I do not have a specific recipe. I kind of eyeball it. I've been doing it for a while. There are a lot available online. I go ahead and add my oils, and then I let it sit in the fridge for like 2 hours. That way the consistency is not too thick, but it's kind of in between. That way you can start mixing. This batch, mine sat in there a little too long. I got a little distracted. But either way, we made it work because all you have to do is go in and add you a little bit more oil. So I got a mason jar and I set a bag inside of it and got to spooning this thing out. Put it inside the bag. You're going to cut the corner. If you have a piping tool, you can use that. But if not, use your bag. So you can go ahead and begin to pipe it in as you need to. And if it's not moving, you can just take the cup and just tap it on the surface to make it go down. But anyway, that's about it. And you just got you a nice little situation. I added peppermint for the scent. You do you. But I hope you guys enjoyed.